If you're a cat owner, you understand the importance of making your furry friend feel safe and secure. Cats are naturally cautious creatures, and it's crucial for them to feel comfortable and at ease in their surroundings. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to ensure your cat feels safe and loved. Firstly, providing a safe space for your cat is essential. Cats love having their own little haven where they can retreat when they feel overwhelmed or anxious. This could be a cozy corner in a room with some cushions or a dedicated cat bed. Make sure this space is quiet and away from any potential disturbances. Creating a consistent routine is also beneficial in making your cat feel secure. Cats thrive on predictability, so try to establish a regular feeding and play schedule. This regularity helps them feel more in control of their environment, reducing their stress levels. Another way to promote feelings of safety in your cat is by using pheromone products. These products, available in sprays or plug-in diffusers, release calming pheromones that mimic the ones naturally produced by cats. This can help create a relaxing atmosphere for your feline companion. Additionally, providing vertical spaces for your cat can help them feel secure. Cats love to climb and perch on high surfaces, as it gives them a sense of security and control over their surroundings. Installing cat trees or shelves at different heights can give your cat the opportunity to explore and feel safe. Lastly, remember to give your cat plenty of affection and reassurance. Spending quality time with your feline friend, cuddling, and playing together helps build a strong bond of trust. Cats are intuitive creatures and can sense when they are loved and cared for. By incorporating these simple strategies into your cat's daily routine, you can create a safe and loving environment for them. Remember, a happy and secure cat is a healthy and content companion for years to come. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.